this collaboration with Miss Cosmo World Philippines and what it represents for both brands?
Sabi ko, wag mahirap eh. Well, I think Miss Cosmo World and JC have very much in common in terms of our advocacy, which is, well, for Cosmo World, financial literacy and entrepreneurship, and at the same time, syempre, empowering women. And dito sa JC, we want people to have their own businesses and eventually can have financial freedom. And I think yung partnership natin would be very much in line. And